Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off dark mode on the Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and you will see setting options at the top right corner. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see app appearance options. Click on it and you will see three option here: always dark, always light, and custom app theme. And if you want to turn on always light mode, then click on always light, then click on restart now. So in this way you can see my dark mode is off. So in this way you can turn off dark mode on the Snapchat. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.